Today we talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your Reddit app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in the first, you just go above your photo profile, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. You go down here, click on settings. Then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Click here on account settings. So then it's going to take you list like this. You go down here until you will find manage notifications, click on it. You come to this list, it's going to show for you like this. You go down here until you will find insights your on your post, just click on it, click here on all off. So then here insights on your post notifications disable with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.